Ever open the fridge and think, yeah, this definitely should have lasted longer? It's one of those small annoyances that happens way too often. And what's weird is, with all the smart tech we use every day, food storage still leans on these big, noisy vacuum sealers that feel more like workshop equipment than something you want in a kitchen. That's why the Owkar portable handheld vacuum sealer stood out. It takes a completely different, more practical approach. What really sets it apart is how compact it is. This thing is tiny. It's lightweight, easy to hold, and doesn't demand counter or cabinet space at all. You can throw it in a drawer, a backpack, or even take it along for camping or travel. Despite the size, it doesn't feel flimsy or cheap. It actually feels solid in the hand, like it's meant to be used regularly. There's a small built-in display that shows battery level and vacuum pressure while it's running, which is surprisingly useful. You can see how strong it's pulling and how much power you have left without guessing. Charging is done through USB-C, and a single charge lasts through multiple sealing sessions, so you're not constantly hunting for a cable. Operation is about as straightforward as it gets. Food goes into one of the reusable bags, you zip it shut, line the sealer up with a valve, hit the button, and that's it. It pulls the air out in roughly 5 to 10 seconds, then automatically shuts off when it's done. No timing it, no oversealing, just press and wait. For a small handheld device, the vacuum strength is honestly impressive. Dry foods seal tight with very little air left inside, and even wetter items like marinated meat, fish, or freshly washed veggies work better than expected. Any liquid that gets pulled up ends up in the removable water container, keeping the motor protected. You can see the moisture collect, remove the container, rinse it, and you're good to go. That makes this way more usable for real cooking, not just dry snacks. And yes, we did the aluminum can test, vacuum sealing an empty can just to see how strong it is. The can crushed completely, and even with those sharp edges, the bag didn't tear or puncture. So between the bag quality and the suction power, durability definitely isn't an issue here. One thing Owkar absolutely gets right is the included bags. You get 32 reusable vacuum bags in different sizes, which adds real value right out of the box. They're BPA-free, washable, safe for the fridge and freezer, microwave safe, and even work for hot water cooking like sous vide. Being able to reuse them over and over saves money and reduces waste, especially if you do meal prep regularly. We tried sealing all kinds of food, nuts, fruits, vegetables, fish, meat, and everything held up well. The seals stayed tight in both the fridge and freezer, helping prevent freezer burn and keeping food fresh longer. It's great for leftovers, bulk grocery storage, and even speeding up marinating since the vacuum helps flavors absorb faster. Now, this isn't meant to replace a large countertop vacuum sealer. If you're sealing huge batches or working with heavy liquids all the time, those bigger machines still have their place. But for everyday use, this is way more convenient. It's quiet, cordless, takes up almost no space, and you don't have to drag it out and put it away every time. At the end of the day, the Owkar portable handheld vacuum sealer feels like a modern solution to a very old problem. It focuses on convenience, portability, and smart design instead of brute force. With strong suction, support for wet foods, a generous set of reusable bags, and a price of around $40 on Amazon, it's a solid option for daily kitchen use. If you want something simple, affordable, and easy to live with and you're tired of bulky appliances taking over your kitchen, this fits right in without trying too hard.